Salesforce supports multiple languages. All of the setup menu, the standard functionality that is provided out of the box, like the sales, call center, marketing, is automatically available in the supported languages. Multilingual support is especially useful when you have users from different geographies. Though the platform officially supports multiple languages, when we build anything custom, field labels, validation error messages, or even custom object cards, we can use the Translation Workbench to translate our customizations to other languages. To enable the Translation Workbench, you can go to Setup, Translation Workbench, Translation Settings, and Enable. You can choose the language you wish to add and identify translators for this language. These are all the languages that are officially supported by Salesforce. I'll choose Spanish and add myself as a translator and save it. Now I can go to the Translate section select the component that I wish to translate. Right now, I want to translate this custom app called Recruiting to Spanish. In Spanish, it is called Reclutamiento. I can put this in and save. I want to translate the field labels in the position object. I can do so by selecting the custom fields on the position object. I did translate all these to Spanish. Sometimes, if you need to translate the entire application, you might want to take help of a language translator. We can also export the untranslated file, give it to a translator, and once the translation is complete, you can import the translated file back into the system. There is also a tip sheet that can come in handy during the process. For users that need to access the application in a different language, you can go to the user account and select the appropriate language for them. When these users log in, they'll be able to see the application in the appropriate language. So, using multi-language support and the Translation Workbench, you can support users from multiple geographies.